Hey guys, so I'm about to head into the Whoreable Decisions podcast event. This is my first podcast I've ever been to, so I'm excited. This weekend I'll be taking you guys with me to a couple of events. It's for my friend Aaliyah's birthday, so I'm waiting her right now before I go in. But yeah, I'm gonna insert clips of the night. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as possible on my phone, but at the same time I don't want to vlog too much because I don't know how much space I might have, and I don't want to have to go and delete stuff. I'm trying to enjoy the event, so I'll definitely be inserting some things, and I'll talk to you guys once we leave from the event, heading to the seafood spot. We're gonna be heading there around 11 o'clock, and right now it's Friday night, and it is around 7:45. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I'm not gonna lie. Hey, I know y'all now trying to be sophisticated. It's too late. It's too late. Yo.
So for the couples, I just want y'all to know, talk amongst yourself now. We do have a game, and we'll need to bring one of y'all up here. So if y'all
This is so cute.
Up, maybe we can try to stay there.
It's spread out.
Well, so you would meet someone, Jenny? Was that why you brought that thing?
And where is the bar?
Right?
Oh, you just walk over there?
So you need to meet in the club, and they're already
Oh, how do you get downstairs?
You know what I'm saying? They already got a bunch
Thank
of
you so
hoes.
much.
It's like, now you got to fight to be the new bitch, and it's just like a whole thing. I feel like if you get a nigga in jail, a lot of them bitches is tired of this shit. So I could be, you know,
I'm still
the
with
new,
you.
the
When
new
you see
pussy,
Ryan?
the fresh bitch.
Oh.
But you wouldn't be pussy. You would just be the new coke.
But it depends when they get out, Annie.
It's commissary in
If
really.
they're all parole, they gotta be home, so they can't be out in the streets.
They gotta be.
This
They
is
gotta
cute
be
though.
halfway home by 7
I like
p.m.
this.
You be napping. You be waking up 8:30. Now they can't go.
You don't have to go to Hotway House. I'm gonna write him down as an employee of Whoreable Decisions or
No,
something.
you're not.
And
All right. This is what I'm talking
we
about.
gonna give that
now.
nigga a job.
Alright.
Fucking me all day.
Well, for lesson 1, can we get to lesson 1, please? Vinny. Hey. All right.
Or not.
So, lesson 1 of this section. Is that no? I be trying to have accents and shit.
Girl, it's not
don't
giving
work.
what you try to give me.
It just don't work.
It's not giving what it's supposed to give. We're going to have to put you in this cage because you've been bad. Yeah.
And you stay right there.
Bitch, I ain't tell you to do all that.
Hey!
She's loving it.
Hey! I ain't gonna hold you.
She's just like Nina. Don't listen.
Hey! She's waiting on you to tell her what to do.
Oh, you wanted to get in there with her? Oh, so you weren't ready, Melissa. Bend over that couch. Hold on. Cut. Melissa, I said, y'all need to be ready to come up here, be humiliated, and you said you don't want to get in the cage? Say sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry what?
Sorry, master.
Now go tell Mandy you're sorry too.
I ain't gonna hold y'all this weird, y'all don't know what's going on.
Now, if you guys ever really want to get into some crazy pup play, you could get yourself a dog crate. I mean, clearly they would both fit in there, but this is an extreme version of pup play. So, in some cases, in some sex clubs, they'll normally cage a woman, and my favorite porn,
Bukkake.
you know, sometimes they jerk off in there and they get it all over the girl, and you know, she's like, and it's the whole thing.
By the
But
way, a kit like this you can get on Amazon for anywhere from $50 to $100. They're not expensive.
that's right, and you want to make sure to get a wire crate just in case it collapses. Now let's give it up for our good little bitches.
Yeah! She said, walk her bitch. Walk her like a dog. Walk her like a dog. If you had to have a threesome with one of his or her friends, who would it be?
So, just to be clear, you gotta write one of your friends. So, for example, I'm gonna put one of my homegirls that I think you wanna fuck, and one of your homeboys
that you would want to fuck.
And
You said what?
You gotta put the homegirl of mine.
You gotta answer it. Come on. They said no. Just answer it. Just give it credit.
He better not put a curse.
Child, this gonna be some fights tonight.
Hey, I need y'all to tell Chopper to sit down. Cause Chopper trying to walk off this. Chopper! Can we get Chopper? Sit your ass in that goddamn shit. Oh no. All right, now I need your papers.
Yeah.
And this is how we gonna talk it through.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I think we got the same girl.
No, first off, I'm gonna read it. What is that? Oh, he put a name, so sis, you better put a name. Too late. Too late. Girl, you better put a goddamn name.
Not Keisha.
Any of your friends that you would want to bring in?
It is.
Why is he scribbling?
You can bring one of your friends?
Why is he scribbling?
Okay. Now listen, if y'all break up, don't sue us. That's not on us, all right?
I'm gonna turn everybody forward now so we can all face the truth about all the things that have been going on up here. Oh yes. You had to jump up to write your answer down. Come on now.
Hold on, you know what? Let's sit y'all closer together, because after these answers, y'all gonna need to be real close. Move the chair this way.
She said after these answers, y'all gonna be real close.
Okay.
I don't know if that's gonna be the story for both couples.
Okay, so real quick, what is your name? Tay. So we got Tay and Chopper right here. We got Weezy and Old Bay on the right. So question number one, how did your couple do for the rating of the first time they had sex?
What that nigga put?
Well, Old Bay put a high 5 on it.
And Weezy
put 8 and said he was talking too much. Which might be better than a 5.
Hold the fuck up. Why was it a 5, nigga?
Hey! Y'all can have this conversation post-show.
No, I need to know. Because when you was fucking me, you said you wanna fuck me all the time. You gonna be fucking me all the time.
Oh my God.
He wanted that 5 pussy. Stop. 5 is all the time pussy.
Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna start with Chopper. Chopper said he rated Tay an 8 out of 10.
Okay, ladies hold the crowd.
Okay.
Said one time for my pussy.
I said one time for my pussy.
Yeah.
All right, now Chopper, I'm gonna hope y'all went out this night. Tay rated you a 3.
Yes. We need to hear the explanation.
A 3 though.
Explain, Lucy, explain.
Let me have an honest
She said, let me have an honest moment. Come on, sister, tell us.
It was a 3 because I was at work. So we had it.
Hold on, bitch. Hold on.
Wait.
At work, where, bitch?
Wait, you fucked at work for the first time?
Yeah.
Working where?
Working where?
Out of prison.
Because we need you. She got BMX gloves.
Girl, what you about to do?
Just so y'all know, this is Miss Cat. If y'all ever join us on our Patreon community,
Not her being COVID safe.
she dresses up, she stays in the mask, Can we drop the beat for Miss Cat? Go ahead! Hey! Go ahead! Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping us. Size me up. No, pay attention. You said what's up. Oh.
Ohio, Florida. Okay, we're gonna have a problem tonight.
I'm not really from Ohio. She's actually from Florida.
Why are you looking twice like that?
Real problem.
You just check it out.
Ain't shit.
What you got on you?
You know, cleaning, hand sanitizer, the good stuff.
You the one with the gun on it?
Thank you. It is.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby.
How you feeling?
I feel like I look a mess. First and foremost.
Wet.
Yeah.
Real wet.
Look a little soaked.
Representing though with the fam, you right?
Go Rattlers.
Yes, go Rattlers.
Yeah,
Anything you want to say to the vlog? This will be
Hi.
one time.
we're about to go. Oh yes, my dear friend, she's back in my life. So happy to see her and be with her. And we're about to go dance like true dancers on
So you can
chairs.
see yourself. There you go.
We about to go dance like this on a chair.
Are we supposed to be wearing heels for this, or
You
just
could-
socks?
She said heels or like barefoot or socks.
Okay, I brought heels just in case, but I have socks too.
Oh, excuse me. Now I was thinking about bringing a pair of heels too, just in case. I don't know how I'm gonna feel.
Yeah. This is my first time doing any chair dancing activities.
Well, I used to step in heels and I'm okay.
Oh, yes, ma'am. We have a professional. We have a
Oh,
professional.
Shara did it too, and Jay, and Jeff.
Yes, we have professionals in here.
So I'm okay. I'm gonna wear socks. Let me go see which heels I would.
Do you want to talk to the vlog, Destiny, or are you good?
Oh, I'm good.
Okay. Well, I'll see you guys when we get to the location. Bye.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Got you, we can believe right now.
Start?
Come to my senses.
Wait, you see where the beach are?
Okay, yeah.
I feel like you won't mess up. You stay on that.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You got the stage name?
Ollie.
Ollie.
Lame. Volley. What's your stage names?
My stage name is gonna be
Caramel.
something Hollywood.
Oh, good. I like that.
What's yours? I'm gonna go with Sweetness.
What about Canela? Canela. I like
I
that.
can't even remember
That
that.
means cinnamon in Spanish. Canela.
Honey.
Yes.
No, it was not. It was.
Not the hunters.
The Hunnings.
Yeah.
No more.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual